Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I want to take you on a journey through the world of machine learning. Imagine you are a detective in a bustling city, solving mysteries by uncovering hidden patterns and clues. But instead of solving crimes, you are teaching a machine to learn and make decisions. Sound fascinating, right? But before starting the video, subscribe to our channel for more such tech-related videos. So here our story begins with a curious character named Alex. Alex loves puzzles and solving complex problems. One day, Alex stumbles upon a mysterious old library filled with books about machine learning. Each book holds secrets about how machines can learn from data, just like how we learn from our experiences. So, after reading codes written on the wall, he understood the concept of machine learning. So what exactly machine learning is? Machine learning is like teaching a machine to solve puzzles. Instead of giving it all the answers, you provide it with examples and let it figure out the patterns. It's a core sub-area of artificial intelligence, enabling computers to learn, grow, change and develop by themselves. When exposed to new data, these programs adapt and improve. Alex discovers that machine learning has three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's explore each type through Alex's adventures. First, Alex opens a book titled Supervised Learning. This is having a mentor who guides you. Imagine Alex is going through a box of old photographs with label descriptions. These labels help Alex understand what each photo represents. Similarly, in supervised learning, we train the machine with label data. For example, teaching it to recognize spam emails by providing examples of spam and non-spam emails. The machine learns from these labeled examples and can classify new emails accurately. Next, Alex finds a book on unsupervised learning. This is like exploring a new city without a map. Alex has a collection of photos, but this time with no descriptions. By carefully examining the photos, Alex notices patterns and groups them into different categories like landscape, portraits, and events. In unsupervised learning, the machine is giving data without labels and must find hidden patterns and grouping on its own. For example, imagine you have a collection of news articles. The machine now has to be carefully analyze the content and then cluster them into different topics like sports, politics and technology without being told what the topics are. The final book Alex opened is about reinforcement learning. Imagine Alex training a pet dog. Every time the dog performs a trick correctly, it gets a treat. If it makes a mistake, there is no treat for that big boy. Over time, the dog learns to perform the tricks correctly, obviously to get more treats. Similarly, in reinforcement learning, the machine learns by interacting with its environment and receiving rewards or penalties. It's like training a robot to navigate a maze by rewarding it for reaching the end. Now that you have understood all three types of machine learning, let's see how they are applied in the real world. It is not a secret that machine learning is transforming industries everywhere. In healthcare, it predicts patient outcomes and gives personalized treatment plans. In finance, it detects fraud transactions and assesses credit risk. Retailers use it for customer recommendations and inventory management. Even streaming services like Netflix, Prime use machine learning to suggest shows and movies you might enjoy based on your viewing history. Online shopping apps like Amazon, Myntra, and on the other hand, networking applications like Instagram, Facebook, and even where you're watching this video. YouTube too uses machine learning for your smooth yet relatable experience. To sum up, machine learning is a very powerful tool that allows computers to learn from past data and make informed decisions. It's constantly evolving, thanks to the vast amount of data we generate and the advancement in computing power. Whether it's supervised learning with labeled data, unsupervised learning with unlabeled data, or reinforcement learning based on feedback, machine learning is shaping the future of technology. On this journey, Alex learned about what is machine learning, types of machine learning, supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning, application in various industries. Thanks for joining Alex and me on this journey while he learned the basics of machine learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Comment below with any questions or topics you had like us to cover next. Until then, stay curious.